Okay, good evening, everyone. Let me introduce our team, Dorothy, Hannah, Wenjian, and myself, Govind. Today, we have chosen MUJI as our business model company. MUJI is a Japanese brand founded in 1980, which translates to no brand quality goods. As the name suggests, MUJI isn't about flashy logos or loud branding. Instead, it embraces a minimalist and environmentally conscious lifestyle, staying true to the idea that less is more. Next. What makes Muji stand out is that it doesn't focus on promoting individual products. It promotes their philosophy. The aesthetic is clean, simple, functional, which resonates with customers who appreciate calm and clutter-free living. One of Muji's key selling points is affordability without compromising on quality. Their slogan, lower price for a reason, highlights how they keep costs down by avoiding traditional advertising and letting brands speak for itself. Muji is committed to sustainability from recyclable packaging to reducing waste during production. The brand emphasizes on eco-friendliness in both its design and operations. Next slide. I'll be sharing about how Muji can leverage on augmented reality to enhance customer experience and drive sales. Next. Let's start with the Muji Passport app. By adding augmented reality function, customers can visualize their products in their own space, like how a shelf will look in their room or clothing will look on them. This is especially helpful for larger purchases. It builds confidence and reduces hesitation. IKEA used AR and also saw a 35% increase in online sales. Next. Better visualization, customers feel more certain, so there are fewer product returns. They can do virtual try on before you buy, which means less need for physical store places and displays, and smaller retail places. This also eases the workload on staff. IKEA has reported 20% drop in returns using AR. AR reduces operation costs, physical store place, and return goods, resulting in more revenue for Muji. Next slide. Muji can take it a step further by rewarding users with passport points when they interact with AR features, making browsing fun and engaging. It helps reduce post-purchase surprises, leading to happier customers, stronger brand trust. Lastly, it bridges online and offline shopping, which boosts overall customer satisfaction and building customer loyalty. With that, I'll pass now the time over to Wenqian to share more on AI-powered personalization.
Hi everyone. So based on our analysis, I would like to present to you one powerful recommendation that addresses the three business areas: revenue growth, cost saving, and customer loyalty. We propose that Muji implement an AI-driven omnichannel personalization platform. What is it? This platform will collect user data from Muji's mobile app, websites, and in-store purchase. It uses artificial intelligence to understand each customer's preference and behavior, then deliver personalized recommendation, promotions, and content in real time, whether the customer is browsing online or shopping in store. How does it help Muji grow revenue? It can help Muji increase sales through personalized product suggestion based on browsing and purchase history. Dynamic bundles or frequently bought together forms. AI-driven promotions that are relevant to each customer. For example, promoting storage solutions to someone who just bought home furniture. This targeted approach encourages more purchases and higher spending. How does it help Muji to save costs? It reduces manpower costs by leveraging AI chatbots and automated FAQ for customer support and queries. It helps optimize inventory by predicting demand patterns from real-time shopping behavior, preventing both overstock and stockout issues. These efficiencies results in lower operational costs and more effective resource utilization. How does it enhance customer loyalty? Customers get a more preferred and personalized experience. For example, the app can remind users to reorder their favorite and regular skincare items. It can also offer minimalized lifestyle tips, creating emotional engagement. It also personalized loyalty challenges and campaigns, such as shop eco-friendly for special rewards. This keeps customer engaged, satisfied, and more likely to return. In summary, by implementing this AI-driven omni-channel personalization platform, MUJI can unlock growth revenue through tailored recommendations, lower operational costs by implementing AI automation and inventory, and stronger customer loyalty through personalized shopping experiences. Thank you. That's ends of my presentation for the recommendation. Next, I will pass to Dorothy for the next recommendation.
Okay, so for the third recommendation to further assist MUJI's technology is the MUJI Home app. It is a rebrand of the current MUJI Passport app. Next. So what is it and how does it differ from the current MUJI Passport app? Compared to the current MUJI Passport app, where it can only be used in-store to collect miles, access exclusive vouchers, and birthday perks, as well as viewing product catalogs, reading store blogs, and looking up store locations, the MUJI Home app transforms not only the app, but the brand itself into a lifestyle ecosystem. Along with the users of the MUJI Passport app, the MUJI Home app integrates smart home features and product integration, giving users the ability to control smart devices like aroma diffusers and lightings. This perfectly aligns with MUJI's philosophy of simplicity, mindfulness, and functional design, and also positions itself as a lifestyle ecosystem and not just a retail brand. Next. So how can the MUJI Home app generate new revenue? Just like any other developed platform, MUJI can generate new revenue through an in-app commerce. This allows users to conveniently purchase products from the comfort of their home through the app. MUJI is already present on Shopee, Amazon, and Lazada, but what makes online shopping different on the MUJI Home app is that users can collect miles, utilize their vouchers, and birthday perks, and these are the features that are already present in the current MUJI Passport app. This drives an increase in cart size, traffic on the app, and frequency of purchase. In addition to in-app commerce, MUJI can also venture into launching a range of Internet of Things enabled products like smart diffusers and lightings. This opens opportunities to partnering with smart home platforms such as Google Home and be able to get affiliate revenue and cross-promote its products with them. So how can MUJI Home app produce significant cost savings to increase the overall profit margin? Next. As data is stored within one ecosystem, MUJI is able to better track its inventory through the data-driven planning. This saves on warehousing and allows decision makers to plan better for markdowns and overstock risk. Also, as customers are kept in the MUJI ecosystem, this helps reduce the customer acquisition costs. Additional provision of in-app loyalty and referral programs to customers lowers marketing spendings. And lastly, a virtual customer service powered by AI will be available to answer users' frequently asked questions. This helps support with staffing and allow them to focus on other areas of the business. Next. So how can the MUJI Home app enhance customer experience and loyalty? With the integrated smart home feature, users are able to control MUJI devices such as aroma diffusers and lightings via the app or voice assistants. Users will also get reminders on refills and purchase them conveniently on the app. This allows a seamless and modern user experience that builds daily brand presence. And since user data is collected on the app, MUJI is able to recommend personalized lifestyle tips and routines for users to follow. This is already available on the MUJI Passport app, but with the MUJI Home app, additional decluttering reminders and mindfulness cues will be added. This allows for a deep emotional connection with MUJI as a way of life and not just a brand. And next, I'll hand over the time to Hannah to share the last recommendation.
Okay, my last recommendation is for MUJI to establish their own online store. Okay, next. Okay, so what's the difference between MUJI in Japan as well as other countries in comparison to Singapore? So in their home country of Japan, they have a full functioning website with full product catalog, online shopping, and they partner with different logistics companies to deliver the goods locally. Whereas in Singapore, although they have a website with full product catalog, they partner with shopping platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, and Amazon, as they do not have their own e-commerce platform. And the logistics company will be what is used by each partner platform respectively. Okay, next. Okay, what are the pros of having your own online store? The ease of entry, which is setting up the online store on an existing e-commerce platform. The low upfront cost because there's no need for software development and the e-commerce platform handles orders, payment processing, and logistics. You also get access to large customer base because the existing e-commerce platforms has millions of active users. And then you also have the thirdly, reduced marketing responsibilities because the e-commerce platform will handle all the marketing and advertising. The e-commerce platform will also have simplified order fulfillment because they will handle all the order fulfillment, payment processing, inventory, and returns. Lastly, you can also leverage existing trust and security of the e-commerce platform, and this might translate to higher sales. Okay, next I shall elaborate more on the cons. So what are the cons on depending an existing online platform? So first is limited scalability. Because you have no direct customer relationship or interaction, you cannot encourage repeat purchases. You also cannot collect customer data. Next is reduced brand visibility. Your products will not be able to stand out among products from other competitors. You will also have increased competition among the other sellers because price-sensitive customers will compare products and choose goods that are cheaper regardless of quality. This competitive landscape will lead to price wars and might erode your profit margins. And lastly, dependency on third-party platforms. What does it mean? It means that you have limited control over product presentation, customer experience. The platform might also charge you fees for listing and sales, leading to lower profit margins. In certain circumstances, they might withhold payments that will impact your cash flow. You might also have to face hidden fees, such as increasing your spending on marketing on the platform to stand out from your competitors, and you are also subject to the platform's rules and regulations. Next slide. So in conclusion, although it is low effort and low cost to list products on an existing e-commerce platform, in the long run, not having your own e-commerce platform leads to a brand of lack identity, limited customer interaction, and reduced control over customer experience. You become overly reliant on the platform, potentially losing sales if the policies change or if it changes its algorithms, or decides to increase your platform fees. Additionally, you cannot collect your customer data and are subject to platform listing fees, advertising fees, overwhelming competition from other sellers, which all lead to lower profit margins. So in conclusion, it's still better for MUJI to have a dedicated e-commerce platform for optimal brand growth, enhanced customer experience, and potentially higher profits. Next slide. So to wrap up the presentation, in conclusion, it is our team's recommendation to implement the following technologies to enhance MUJI's brand growth and digital online presence. And these are augmented reality, AI-powered omni-channel personalization, MUJI Home app, and MUJI online store. Okay, so this brings to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.